Surfshark is already incredibly affordable, but guess what? You can cut the price down even further with a Surfshark coupon code. To get the current Best Surfshark promo code, just scan the QR code on screen or click the link below. But if you're wondering which plan to go for, let me help you sort it out. Firstly, I highly recommend choosing a 2-year subscription regardless of plan type, as it offers the greatest long-term savings. Starter plans are fantastic for beginners, with all core features included, such as an ad blocker for a much cleaner browsing feed. The Starter Plus plan adds alternative ID features to generate fake online persona details, including an email, as well as Surfshark Search, which gives you accurate search results without them being diluted by sponsorship and ads. The Surfshark One plan is for you if you want to protect your devices from all angles. It includes an AV test certified antivirus with various system scanning options and real-time protection that watches for malware 24/7. And since it's built into the same app, it won't clash with the VPN, which can often happen if you have separate VPN and antivirus providers. This plan also includes Surfshark Alert, a dark web monitoring tool that lets you know if any of your personal data has been leaked online. As I said, this is security and privacy from all angles, which is why this plan is their most popular choice. But you can upgrade to Surfshark One Plus for even more benefits. It's the ultimate Surfshark deal that brings the incognito data removal service. It uses laws to compel data brokers to delete the information they have on you, helping prevent identity theft. If you have the extra money and want to clean up your online footprint, this is a great investment. But whichever plan you go for, don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link below to grab the best Surfshark VPN discount. Cheers!